What happens when borax is heated strongly? First of all, if you take a small piece of borax and heat it, it swells like a popcorn. And if you keep on heating it, ultimately it contracts. And when it contracts, it collapses to a very glass-like, beautiful, transparent bead. Oh, is that so? What happens? First of all, you should know what is borax. Borax is Na2B4O7.10H2O. Notice that 2, 4, 7, 10, they are in ascending order, the numbers. And if you heat this, what happened? First of all, it swells up like a popcorn. On further heating, keep on heating, it collapses. When it swells up, it is fluffy. When it collapses, it becomes solid, shiny, transparent, glassy bead. Transparent, mark my words. What you get is NaBO2 plus B2O3. This is glassy bead. This is what you obtain on strongly heating borax. Water, of course, evaporates. Hardly a mystery. That's it. When boric acid is added to water, something very funny happens. Boric acid is such a stupid acid, It does not release H+. Rather, it accepts OH- and wants to release H+. You can write it like this, or the same reaction can be written as H3BO3 plus 2H2O. You add one H2O on both the sides. Why? Instead of H+, there are people who love to write H3O+. You can well do that. That's perfectly fine. But please note, equilibrium is shifted largely backwards. To a very small extent, it is able to release H+. But yes, it does. And this is the reaction. This is what happens when boric acid is added to water. It becomes very slightly acidic. Aluminium is treated with dilute NaOH. Wow. When aluminium is treated with NaOH, what happens is aluminium dissolves in it. What? Yes. Aluminium dissolves in it, forming NaAlOH whole 4. And there is some quantity of hydrogen also, oh my God, which is released. If this, what I'm writing is not clear to you, I'll write it once again so that it is very clear. I hope this is cleaner. Yaps. Do we need to balance this? I presume yes. We need 4 oxygens, 3. I guess that should do. 1 NaOH, 1 oxygen and 3. Let me check hydrogens. 6 plus 1, 7. We have 3 plus 4, 7. Perfect. Done. Balanced. This is what you obtain. This is aqueous solution. And this always dissociates as NaAlO2 and 2H2. You can also break it down like this. Some people write this, some people write this. Actually, what happens is whenever you have this, you always have some quantity of this and vice versa. So if you're writing a subjective paper, write both, no problem. If you're writing objective, any of these can be offered as the answer and either of them is the correct answer, no problem. If both are asked, only in JEE Advanced you get more than one correct. If both are asked, both are correct. This is what happens when aluminium is treated with dilute NaOH. It dissolves in dilute NaOH, liberating hydrogen and plenty of heat as well.